If you want your Shopify store to look clean, professional, and instantly recognizable, there's one tiny detail that makes a big difference: Favicon. It's that small icon you see on browser tabs, but it plays a huge role in brand identity. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a favicon to your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside the admin panel, look at the menu on the left and click on Online Store. This will open up additional options for customizing your site. Next, select Customize. This brings you into Shopify's theme editor, your main workspace for adjusting the look and feel of your store. Inside the theme editor, find Theme Settings. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear with various customization options. From there, choose Logo. This section handles both your store's main logo and your favicon. Now look for the favicon image area. Go ahead and click on it. A file upload window will pop up, allowing you to choose the icon you want to use. Keep in mind that favicons are very small, so choose a simple, clear image that represents your brand well. Once you upload the image, you'll see a quick preview. Make sure everything looks right, sharp, clean, and recognizable. If you're happy with it, click Done. Before leaving, make sure you hit Save in the top right corner. This is the final step that applies your changes to your live store. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a custom favicon, giving it a polished and branded appearance. It's a tiny detail, but one that helps your store stand out and look more trustworthy to customers. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, stick around for more guides that make managing your Shopify store easier and more effective.